What's up, gang? So it's Kevin Clue again, and I'm back with another video. So today what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be analyzing GBPUSD. Today is Monday. The market just opened right now, so I'm going to be analyzing GBPUSD and seeing what we have for this week, seeing what GBPUSD is going to give us for this week. So the time is currently 12:37 p.m. What's today's date? Today's date is August. Today is August 21st. August 21st, I'm going to be analyzing GBPUSD. So GBPUSD is kind of sketchy right now. I really don't know what it's doing. It's just consolidating. I don't know if it's going to go up, if it's going to go down, but we are just going to see how we're going to predict and how we're going to react to the market. Usually on Mondays, I don't trade. On Mondays, I just analyze the market and see what is going to happen for this week, and I react. So that's all I want to say for now. And let's go analyze GBPUSD. Peace out. And you don't forget to subscribe. Yo, what's up, gang? Like I said, I'm back. So it's currently 12:38 p.m. Today is 21st of August 2023, and let's analyze GBPUSD right now. So this is going to be quite, you're going to find it confusing because there are a lot of lines, a lot of my analysis here. You're going to find it confusing. So I want us to go for a clean chart, a clean GBPUSD chart. This one has some analysis though. Some analysis is there. Yep. So what do we have? What do we have on GP? Like I said, GBPUSD is confusing me. I'm even confused. I'm not a professional forex trader. Let's say I'm intermediate though, but it's confusing me. I don't know what he wants to do. Me, on my approach, I was like, GBPUSD should start selling. Why did I say that? First of all, I want to remove all this. I want to get rid of all these lines here, all this in the everything, all the trend lines. Let's see, clean charts. This is a 4-hour time frame. But sometimes I can even go as far as 1 month, 1 week, just to like zoom out and see what is actually going on. What is this thing doing? So I think I'm going to go to a 1 week. I don't trade these time frames, but I just zoom out to see what is going on GBPUSD. As I'm a day trader, I don't really need to know what has been going on GBPUSD maybe since 2007, but sometimes I don't need to zoom out. So from the 1 week time frame, I can tell that GBPUSD has been dropping. No doubt, no issue about that. There's no doubt, no issue about that. So what would I like to do? I'll just use a trend line. Trend line is just a tool that shows you that shows the direction of what is going on. Now, as logical normally from anyone that doesn't know how to trade forex, you see this it's going down. So what the trend line tool just helps you do, it just helps you to just first of all you follow the direction of the market, and it also serves as dynamic support and resistance. For example, as I'm drawing this trend line like this now, if you notice, if the market is, let me get my arrow. I always love using this arrow. I don't know. I love this arrow. Now the issue is, where's the arrow? Okay, I think I'm gonna get, okay, yeah. Today I got it. So now if you notice, when the market is going down, the market doesn't just go down like this. That doesn't happen. What the market does, the market will go down. It will go down, it will drop. This drop, we call it an impulsive drop. Impulsive, something that it drops with anger. It doesn't do too much stressing. It drops, and it drops with anger. This is a 1 week time frame though. Yeah, this is 1 week time frame. We really don't need to. We're just playing around. Yeah, getting some few knowledge. If I zoom in, you can see the way this candle dropped. It doesn't even have all this consolidating. It just drop immediately, like down, drop down, no play. So like I said, when the market is going in another direction, it doesn't just go down like that. It doesn't just start dropping. No, it will drop, it will rest, it will come back up a little bit, rest. This coming back up, we call it the pullback. We call it pullback or retracements. Okay, let me get the text again. I think I saw the text here. Anchor. Let's see. Let me use call out. You see the situation whereby the market, it's call it pullback or retracement. Let me increase the text so you know that, like 28, then bold it. Yes, the point where the market it drops impulsive, it drops down and it comes back up. We call it a pullback or retracement. And this move, we call it a corrective move. We call it a corrective move. So what this trend line helps us to, this trend line helps us to like know our next point of entry. So now, now I love trading this. I love trading this pattern. Yeah, I love it a lot. I love it a lot. I love doing this. Okay, okay. Let me get the box. Yeah. So first of all, this is our first touch of the trend line. This is the first time the trend line touch. As we draw this trend line now, you can see that the trend line now has come here and it has touched. Market has come to begin to retest this trend line. What I don't enter on the second touch, or I enter on the third touch. I get in on the third touch. So what I will normally do on a normal day is that I will wait for the market to come somewhere here. Because this is the next touch of the market. I'll wait for the market to come somewhere here. Then what I'll just do, I'll just start selling. I'll wait for the market to come here, then I'll just start selling. Simple. That is you just waiting for the third time for the market to touch the trend line, for it to just come, let you just come touch this trend line, and simple. You just enter, you just get in with whatever amount you're willing to risk, you just get in and you just start selling. The same thing if the market is going up too. The same thing if the market is going up, but I want to get rid of all this stuff. I want to get rid of all this stuff right now. Because this is supposed to be like a GPUSD, is a live analysis of what is going to happen, not like a tutorial class. But it is what it is though. This thing is blocking me. Yep, so let's get rid of all this stuff right now. Remove 8 drawings. So now we know the market is going down. I can just come to the 1 day and see what's going on much better. 1 day doesn't look as if anything is happening. Nah, doesn't look as if anything is happening. Doesn't as if anything is going on in the 1 day time frame. Let's go to, I want to have that trend line. I love trend lines. I love my analysis personally. I don't know why. Yeah, just love trend lines. These simple basic things. Yeah, you can see price came in. Although price did go up a little bit, but it still dropped. And I'll show you like examples of how that like price coming to touch the for the third time in a trend line. That thing works fire. That thing works almost every single time. I'm gonna show you. Okay, now that I have that trend line, let's go to the 1 day time frame. This is the 1 day. What it means that it takes 1 day for each candle to open. So like I said, this remember this is the third touch of the trend, and the third touch when it dropped. Usually, after the market makes the third touch on the trend line, the fourth touch usually breaks. If the market is going down, it has touched like the way it touched here now, it went down. The fourth time usually goes up. It usually goes up, but I'm kind of confused now on what's going on. I'm kind of confused because does it want to go up? Does it want to go down? I really don't know. Sometimes I often like I can make my trend line here, yeah, I can make it there. It really doesn't mean anything. First, second, third. We still have the chances of this thing going down. We still have the chances of this thing going down. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame now. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame right now. What's been going on? The 4-hour? Yeah, let's go. This is the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. We're experiencing that pullback I told you about, that retracement. Let me go to the 1 day. So you see it's bigger. You see, let me show you that stuff I told you about. You see the impulsive move, the drop, which is until the market doesn't just drop like that. It will drop, come down, it will be then drop again. Then this is the pullback I've been experiencing since October 2022. October last year, October 2022, yeah, October last year. I think October last year was when the Queen, when the Queen died. It was also that period that £1 was equals to $1. Yeah, let's see. It was almost equal to $1, and this thing hasn't happened since 1985. It was an historic moment. Historic moment. It's just that my this thing can't. If you see, these are the prices too. It was almost equal to $1. That was bad for GBPUSD. That was bad for pound. Sorry. So like I was saying, price has dropped, made the impulsive move. So it's the corrective move that is about to go on now. It's the pullback we're experiencing now. It's the pullback we're experiencing. Personally, what we want market to do is we want it to drop. I want it to drop too, but this thing, the market just it does what it wants to do. If and when I mean by the market, I just mean buyers and sellers. Currently now, for the past since August 2022, August 2022 last year till now, people there have been more buyers in this game than sellers. But that can switch. That can switch in a minute. That can switch in a second. People, the buyers might be like, okay, we don't want to buy GPUSD now. It's time to sell. The market will start dropping. So what I mean by the market is just between two people. Just no, I won't say two people. It's just that just between buyers and sellers. Just like that. Just between buyers and sellers. So now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's not talk too much. So for the in the 4-hour time frame, right? You can see that price has been going up. Price has been going up. You see this stuff I was talking about? You see this first touch? Okay. Although it might not be like as like so perfect. It won't be so perfect. The market moves. It might not be perfect that okay, it will touch this trend line, then from there it might drop a little bit before it start going up. So now you see what I'm talking about. Now we had the first touch. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. We had the second touch here. I don't get in on the second touch. I get in on the third touch. This is the third touch of the trend line. This is the third touch of the trend line. Like this, it works. It works almost every time. The third touch, as you see, if you had gotten in here for a buy, if you had gotten in here for a long position, you definitely make money. You definitely make money. See, if you have gotten in for a buy, you put your stop loss below that low somewhere here, you will definitely make money. This is the 4-hour time frame. I'll go down to show you more examples how this thing works fire. So price has been going up, yeah, going up. But price, I told you the fourth touch, first, second, third. Although the fourth touch happened here, though. This is the fourth touch. The fourth touch happened. It happened here, though. It still went up, but now price has broken this trend line. This trend line has been broken now. Although it can still be moved to, it can still be like this. Yep. So that's what is confusing me now. Does this market want to go up? Does it want to go down? I don't know, because I was thinking that price has created what we call, first of all, price has touched this trend line. I think I showed you this trend line before. Yes, this is the trend line we're looking at. This is a 1 week time frame though, where you had the first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch, and price has, this is where price currently is. Price has touched the trend line and is about to drop now. So price has touched that trend line, so it's about to drop. And I'm also thinking that GBPUSD is forming this pattern called held head and shoulders. I want you to see the candles very clearly. That's why called head and shoulders. I'm gonna show you the pattern in a bit. Called head and shoulders. Let me get rid of this trend line. I'm gonna need it later though. This pattern is called head and shoulders. Okay, I need something like this. Yeah, yes. You see this pattern called head and shoulders. This is the first. This is the shoulder. This is the head. This is the second shoulder. This pattern means that it's gonna drop. Anytime you see this pattern at the top of an uptrend, it means that the market is going to drop. Let's go to Chrome. Let's go to Chrome right now. So you see what I'm talking about. Let's go to Chrome right now. Let's go to Chrome. Let me show you this pattern. Head and shoulders chart. Although that's what my strategy is telling me to do. My strategy is telling me that GBPUSD is going to start selling. But I'm not a professional forex trader. So it's my buy. It's one I think one benefit that you have as a trader is that whether it buys, whether it sells, whether it consolidates, when you know when to get in, you can make money. That's the thing. I might say it's going to buy today, but it's going to sell tomorrow. I just need to look for an opportunity for where to sell, get in on it, and I make money. So this is the pattern I'm showing you. This is the pattern I'm showing you. Yeah, I think this is gonna be the best. Yeah, this you see, are you seeing okay, this one I'm looking for something that shows that exact something like okay. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing the way this is? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I seeing the similarities of this and this. Let me bring this thing. Yeah. Yeah, someone seen the similarities of get rid of this stuff. The similarities of let me get rid of this one too. Yeah, I seen the similarities of this and this. Somehow it's somehow it's similar though. Although it comes in, the market is dynamic, so it might not be the exact thing. It might not be maybe the left shoulder might drop a little bit, the right shoulder might be up a little bit. It's dynamic, but it just shows you that whenever you see this, know that okay, maybe a drop is about to happen or a buy is about to happen. But personally, I don't know what's going to happen in this market. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm just going to have to just sit back, relax, and just wait. And let me show you that the trend line strategy I was telling you about that works fire. You see this? The first touch, the second touch, and what's the third touch? Immediately the third touch, what happened? What happened? You see? Yeah, I would have just gotten, I would have just as I just as this touch just happened, I'd just gotten for a shot, and you definitely make money. That is a very, very simple trend line strategy without stress. Just know the direction of the market, what is currently happening now. Draw your trend line, wait for the third touch, you get in. But what I usually do, since I'm a day trader, I get in on the 15 minutes time frame. If I will see a trade like that right now, I need to get my mouse. I need to get my mouse. This click, I don't like this click. Yeah. So on the 15 minutes time frame, I've seen the first touch, the second touch. So this third touch is what I'll just get in on. Although, if you see this long wick, this thing makes a lot of noise. It's somewhat embarrassing. Yep. Yeah. If you see this long wick, this was in news. I think this was NFP. It can't be an NFP. NFP usually happens first Friday of the month. Maybe NFP. I know there was a news. I'll wait for they call it M pattern. They call it. So these are the things I watch out for before I get in on the market. It's like once I see that third trend line touch, then M pattern. Yeah. So yes, something like this, like an M. Yeah, something like this. You see something, this kind of M pattern, something like this. If I see it an M, I get in on GBPUSD. On GBPUSD, the two chart patterns, or let's say four chart patterns that work are the M pattern, W pattern, head and shoulders, and inverse head and shoulders. We'll discuss more on that. But you see this like an M. Let me get my arrow. No, not arrow maker. Let me get my arrow. You see, this is the first head. You see, somewhere like an M. Yeah. Then, although I know that you'll be like, okay, since an M, wait for it to get here. Sometimes the market is dynamic. It might not get here. It might not get there. All you need to do is just for you to just first of all, you know how the candles work, and make sure your stop loss is above on this all these kind of trades. Let's say if you get in here, you just have to make sure your stop loss is above this level. Yeah, so you don't get maybe you don't get stopped out, then you now start complaining the market is against me or something. So I just wait for this kind of M pattern, then I'm in. Simple with other things like chart pattern, yeah, candlestick formation, like the bearish bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing, weak rejections. I'll do a proper video on my analysis on the things I check out for before I get in on a trade. But this video is just a Monday analysis of what I think is going to happen right now on GBPUSD. What I think is going to happen on GBPUSD. I don't know. I'm confused. I don't know what's going to happen. I can't predict the market at this point. All I have to do is wait, sit back, and just watch what's going to happen. Like I said, I only trade GBPUSD. Probably back in those days when I was still like a very, I would have just gone to another pair. Simple. I won't stress myself. I'm not like very good in waiting. I won't stress myself waiting and waiting and waiting. So in conclusion, what I'm trying to say is that I don't know. I don't know what. You see, this is a very bad, very good support. Talk about support and resistance later. A very good support, a very good flow on which the market comes and bounce. This was the first touch, second touch, third touch. I believe anytime the market comes to this level again, it should be dropping. But in conclusion, all I have to say is that I really don't know what the market is going to do. I don't know. I don't know what the market is going to do. So we should just we should be neutral. It's my buy, it's my sell. But you shouldn't be hasty to trade this period. If you're hasty to trade, you'll collect your stop loss. To collect your stop loss, simple. And hey, so another strategy was what I usually do on Mondays. I won't forget. I call this the high and low of the week strategy. I go on the 4-hour time frame. Then I mark the candle, the highest point at which the first two candles that opened. Yeah, from Sunday to Monday. Yeah, the first two candles that opened for the week. Yeah, I mark their highest and lowest points. It's just simple support and resistance for that week, because I know that anytime price comes to that direction, comes to that direction, there's going to be a reaction. Do what I basically do. Mondays I just come. You can see this is the first candle that I opened for this week and the second candle. Yep, these are the first two candles that I opened for this week. And that will I basically just do on Monday. But I don't want to make this video too long. Yeah. I don't make this video too long. Later I'll talk about my strategy and how I do it. But for me, I'll just sit back, relax, and I will not really bother myself on what I'm going or what the market is going to do. I'm just going to just chill and just calm down. But me personally, I'm seeing a sell, but just have to be neutral. So yeah, so you guys should just stay tuned, just chill. I'm going to be dropping my trades and see now we're going to trade this $25,000 account, because right now on my 25K, I took a loss last week, and now the account is 24. The account is 24,224. Yeah, the account is 24,224 right now. So that's it. So yeah, so what we need to do is just sit back, relax. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Yeah, peace out.